on tilt trading. I am currently both long and short in Bitcoin right now. First, I'll go over my long positions really quickly and then get into my short positions, which are my day trades for today. So first, let's come over and do a top-down analysis starting here on the daily chart. So here on the daily chart, I've got Bitcoin delivering to the sell side overall. Where you see these blue lines, these are my swing points. This is the swing low, this is the swing high. So this is the range that Bitcoin is currently trading in. And within this range, again, I've got an overall sell side bias. But you can see here there's been buy side delivery, and this blue rectangle is a fair value gap. So Bitcoin is showing some bullish behavior here. And until it closes above this swing high or below this swing low, it would be difficult for me to have an idea on where it may go next. But besides that, with intraday, I've been making trades while this has been basically consolidating within this range. So here on the 60-minute, yesterday I took a trade based off of this dealing range here on the 60-minute. Took this trade here, took this buy. There is a fair value gap. Let's slide this over here. So there is a fair value gap right here. There's a rectangle right here that's a fair value gap. So price, you can see, traded down into this a few times, but it's not until right here that it closes below these levels that were put in here. This candle closes below it, and then I wound up taking this long inside of this fair value gap here. Then with that position, so my stop loss is below this range. So with this fair value gap, there is no swing point below this. So this is the nearest swing. So I prefer to place my stops at swing levels or at intermediate term highs or lows. So I chose the swing on this one. And my take profit is the top of this range. It's right up here, you can see it, but it'll be easier to see here on the daily chart. Here. So my target is here. So there's liquidity, there's buy side liquidity resting just above this candle here from 2 days ago. This is Friday. So my goal is to participate in this liquidity sweep of this buy side liquidity up here on the daily chart. And this dealing range here on the 60-minute chart encompasses this area here on the daily chart. And then yesterday, that trade is still active. That trade is the one that is right here. Another trade long that I took yesterday will come over here to the 15-minute chart. So this trade I took long yesterday, right here. We'll zoom in. This was this trade right here. This long position right here is the same long as this position here, so that can be disregarded, as we've already talked about that. And then here, so this was the PM session. This is the PM session, this area here in between these two bars. So what I was observing here is I was looking for a long. I had bias. And with that, in the afternoon, I observed that there was or at least this candle here closed below this candle, which at the time was a swing low. So with that, I just took an entry here on the next candle. And the spread was still about 70 cents. So even though, just lost my screen here. Okay, screen is back. I think my platform just froze up on me or something here. A second here. Okay, we're back. Okay. So with that candle closing below that swing, that triggered a buy signal for me. And as I mentioned, the spread was about 70 cents. So that's why the arrow is here, because my entry was here even though I entered here. So this area covers the spread of $70.10. You can see from there, price delivered to the buy side, did some consolidating in this area, and then continued to the buy side here. And then you can see buy side delivery here, and this is New York midnight. And you can see at midnight it consolidates here, and then another buy side leg up here. And then I'm able to take profit right here. So this profit taking here was in line here on the 60 minute with this level here. So there was buy side liquidity resting just above this level. I'll back it up on the 15 minute here. So that target, so I entered here, and my target was buy side liquidity that was resting just up here, and you can see I'm able to take profits here. And then that brings me to my current positions here. So I have a short bias today on Bitcoin, and while looking this morning, I had my levels set here at the open, this with the swing high and this with the swing low. Things moved around a bit, and this candle here, this is all wick here, but it's difficult to see currently. Wicked out, swept out buy side liquidity here at these levels. So my first entry, I was stopped out. This is the first entry right here. So I was stopped out of that first entry. Then as price stopped me out, I was still looking for areas like fair value gaps or areas that I could enter. And then I used this area here and this fair value gap right here and used this as a stop here. And then with that, I took an entry right here. And then price delivered to the sell side here. And then price pulled back and I took an entry here. And this was based off of a fair value gap on the 1 minute chart. So I will, and I missed this fair value gap, but I got in a little late, but it's okay. Not ideal, but okay. I mean, ideally I'm catching it at the appropriate time. But this is on the 1 minute chart here. And this is the fair value gap right here. This rectangle right here is the fair value gap. So with this fair value gap, you can see that price here trades back into that fair value gap. So I took an entry here. Then price was consolidating in this area. My entry is actually here. So when price came back in there, I took another entry here. Price pulled back deeper into the fair value gap here, and took a additional entry here. So currently 4 positions deep into Bitcoin short. And this is just based off of my short bias and the technicals lining up for a potential short trade here today. Definitely trading aggressive on this position. It is certainly taking its time to sell off if it does sell off. As you can see here, price action is not the cleanest here. And it is really struggling and is still yet to create a break of structure or a market structure shift to the sell side. So you can see here, this is all buy side delivery here, buy side delivery here, sell side, but fails to break out, sets up a new level here, fails to break out, pulls back, and now has set up a new level here. And then we'll see if we can get a break below and then some continuation to the sell side. All of these positions, I have the same stop loss on. I'll remove this Fibonacci retracement tool here. And then you can see my stop loss is just above the high of this candle here. So my stop loss is here, and I'm targeting sell side liquidity just below this fair value gap series of candles here. So a lot of conviction, but that doesn't mean that the trade will go through. But I feel a lot more confident with the ICT methodologies now that I've got some bias sorted out with how I like to trade within the methodologies here. So that's another reason why I felt comfortable going in with multiple positions, just taking smaller and smaller, or just taking small positions here, keeping the account small, keeping the trade size small, but I am over leveraged here this morning in this position. And then this is the long trade that took profit this morning, and then this is the first short trade that I lost, and then these you can see are all the current position here, and I've been accumulating this position here over the course of the 8 o'clock hour here. So we'll see how these trades shake out here. I think they're probably on average maybe something like a 3 to a 4 to 1 reward to risk ratio on this. I think this screen is having a really difficult time today, or at least my broker. I think they just updated some the platform, and I think it's a little buggy. It's never acted up quite this much before, but this is trading. It'll just be another wrinkle, something that I've got to work with / work around, and then I'll show here on the 15-minute, if I can, the take profit is down here. This is the level here on the 15-minute chart, and my stop is just above here. Out of frame, you won't see it. Let's see if we can get a look at the shorts here. And here you can see on the daily, so not even targeting a sweep of yesterday's low. just attacking this liquidity, this sell side liquidity just below this level here. And then still in my long position, which I'm looking to go long also, I have an additional order set for a long here. I have additional orders set for a long here, and that's based off of this fair value gap right here. So as this trade, if it does deliver to the sell side, I'd be looking for a sweep of liquidity here and then an entry here to continue long. And then for that trade, my stop is down here below the swing, even though actually the swing is here. So it needs to be here. Let me fix this. What is the low of that candle? 109,988.5. No, actually, no, it's correct because there's the spread. So yeah, that stop is correct because of the spread. But yeah, so if you'd like to know more, visit us at ontilttrading.com. Trade smart, trade together. We'll see you next time.